Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are with another lecture and today we are going to discuss types of acids. Types of acids on the basis of number of protons given per molecule are monoprotic acids, polyprotic acids. What is monoprotic acid? The acid which can produce only one proton per molecule are called as monoprotic acids, which produces only one proton. When they are added into the water, it produces only one proton. And if you recall your memory, what proton means, we have already discussed. Proton means hydrogen ion. From proton we mean hydrogen ion. So when an acid produces only one proton, for example HCl, when this HCl is dissociated, it is added into the water, it produces one hydrogen ion and one chloride ion. Since it is producing only one proton, so it is called as monoprotic. Mono means one, protic means proton. So the species which produces one proton when added to the water are called as monoprotic acids. The second type is polyprotic acids. The acids which produces more than one proton per molecule, are called as polyprotic acids. Poly means many, protic for proton. For example, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, these are the examples of polyprotic acids. If you see the example of sulfuric acid, H2SO4 is when added into the water, it produces two protons and sulfate ion. Since this sulfuric acid is producing two protons, it can be also called as diprotic. Similarly, phosphoric acid H3PO4 produces three protons. It is called as triprotic, and collectively these are called as polyprotic acids. Now moving towards the types of bases. Bases can be classified on the basis of number of hydroxide ions given per molecule are monoacid basis, polyacid basis. Now what is monoacid basis? Basis which produces only one hydroxide ion per molecule in aqueous solution are called as monoacid basis. These bases produces only one hydroxide ion. They are called as monoacid bases. For example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, etc. These are the examples which produces only one hydroxide. For example, if I add sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide into the water, it dissociates into potassium ion and hydroxide ion. So it is producing only one hydroxide ion. These bases are called as monoacid bases. Now the polyacid bases. Bases which produces more than one hydroxide ion per molecule in an aqueous solution are called as polyacid bases. Hence these bases produces more than one hydroxide ion. So they are called as polyacid bases. For example, barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ferrous hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide. These bases produces more than one hydroxide. For example, if we see the dissociation of barium hydroxide, when we add this barium hydroxide into water, it splits up into barium ion and gives two hydroxide ions. As this base is giving us two hydroxide ions, this base is also called as diacid bases. Similarly, FeOH whole thrice or AlOH whole thrice. When any of these base is added to the water, let's say aluminum hydroxide, when added to water, it splits up into aluminum ion and 3 hydroxide ions. As this is producing 3 hydroxide ion, we can also call these bases as triacid bases, and collectively these bases which produces more than 1 hydroxide ion are called as polyacid bases. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.